There is this plugin I want to introduce to every one of you. Trust me, if you know you are new to YouTubing, you are a new YouTuber, yeah, you will have this problem of growth, getting views, getting subscribers, etc. But there is a plugin that has been made for everyone to fasten and hasten your growth. Yeah, this plugin is called TubeBuddy. Yeah, it's called TubeBuddy. Now, I don't post my videos without using this plugin. As you can see, before I post my video, I make sure I use this plugin. Now, I'm going to be telling you the benefit of using this plugin, how much you can get this plugin, and how you can implement it on your browser. For the record, you can only use this while you are using your PC. So it means if you are using your phone, it might be difficult for you unless you change your phone to a desktop view. If you click on these three options on your phone, you see a place to write desktop unless you turn it to a desktop view. So without wasting our time, let me take you through this plugin and how you can get it. But if you know this is your first time of coming across my video, or my video is coming across your field, please do me well to smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be first to see videos whenever I post them. Now let's go straight to the point. This plugin is called TubeBuddy. Now if you click on this very place, you see there, all their tools: keyword explorer, SEO, video topic planner, tag, etc. So meaning you can make use of, you can implement these tools on your video before you post them. When you upload these videos, now it is with this premium plugin that can help you to go viral. Now after using it, it can suggest topics for you and help you to work on your video SEO. Take for instance, I want to upload a video. I come to this place, now I click on select file. Then let me just upload a random video here. How to make money on YouTube in 2024. Yeah, now this is my topic. Now if I scroll down, with the help of my TubeBuddy, there are some suggestions TubeBuddy is going to suggest for me that can help increase my video visibility. Yeah, now suggestion like our tags. Yeah, our tags. Now what it's going to do for you is going to give you a premium tag. It will just allow you to use a random tag just like that. It's going to give you a premium tag. After uploading, TubeBuddy is going to give you options for videos. Now, number one, for the topic, is going to suggest a topic analyzer for you to analyze the SEO. But before that, let's scroll down. Let's start with our thumbnail. If you don't have a thumbnail, you can actually use TubeBuddy to create a thumbnail. Yeah, but best I will advise you upload your thumbnail. If you created your thumbnail, upload it. But if you don't have a thumbnail, TubeBuddy is going to help you create a thumbnail. Now if you click on create thumbnail, TubeBuddy is going to take you to this place. You have three options. You can select a frame, you can use color, you can use image. Maybe I want to select a scene from my video. Yeah, I can actually select this scene from my video and use it as a thumbnail. So once I'm done with this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on the next button here. I'm going to hit on this continue. Then it's going to tell me to write my text. You can click on this text, generate your title for your video. Then you can give it a color and click on add layer. So make sure you arrange everything. So once you are done, you click on next and you click on save. But I'm not going to use this for tutorial sake. So if you've uploaded, the next thing is for you to scroll down to the beautiful aspect. Let's go down to the beautiful aspect where TubeBuddy is going to auto-generate our tags for us. Yeah, TubeBuddy, okay, is loading the recommended tags. Now, take for instance, my tag is how to make money. Yeah, how to make money. Sometimes if your title is not well placed, it will take time for it to generate. But make sure you have a good tag. Now, once I scroll down, now you'll see that TubeBuddy has auto-generated premium tags. So I don't need to type these tags. So there is tendency that if you use this premium tag, your video is going to go viral, you are going to get views. Yeah, I have used this tag on my other channel here. As you can see, I've been using this tag. You see my view has been increasing. So I don't post without this tag. So all you need to do is click on the tags that you want. Just make sure that your tags are up to at least 450. Then once you are done, everything you need to do, click on next. Click on next. After filling this place, you need to fill your your end screen and your tag and your card. If you've not watched this, I have created a video for this. Go and watch my video on this. Now after posting, you have the option for your SEO. After posting, you have the option for your SEO. You can actually edit your post. Click on edit post. Now let's work on our SEO and our title. If you don't like your title, you can use TubeBuddy to generate a title for you. Take for instance, you tell it to generate IDs for you. Yeah, it's going to generate related titles that can even make people watch your video more faster. Then anyone you like, you just click on it and it will take effect on your page. So this is about title generator. We have title generator. Then the most important aspect, what we are going to do, we are going to work on our SEO. Like I said, it is the work of SEO to make your video to be viral or make your video to be searchable. After generating your topics, if you like anyone, you can just click on it and you use it. Now let's go to our SEO. To use our SEO, click on this drop down. You scroll down to where you see SEO Studio. Now once you click on the SEO Studio, it's going to bring out a place where you put a keyword. Like I said, a keyword is that word that someone can search YouTube for, and if your video is having such kind of video, it's going to suggest your video. Now take for instance, my keyword here is how to post videos on YouTube channel. Let's say on YouTube, I'm going to paste it here. Now it is going to analyze if this word can actually suggest and bring out my video whenever someone check on it. As you can see, TubeBuddy has scored my SEO 95%, but I need it to be 100. So make sure all these places are ticked. If they are not ticked, just do the needful and make effect. So I'm going to check the place that is mixing. Now it means I have not included my exact target word as my first tag. So I am going to make it as my first tag here. Just click on add now. It's going to add it for you. Your SEO should score 100. Is that okay? Your SEO should score 100. Then you click on next. Now once you click on next, it's going to tell you where your video is standing amongst others, where your video is standing amongst your competitors. So the next thing, you click on next and you click on apply to my video. Now we have worked on our SEO. Trust me, with this your videos are going to go viral even as a new YouTuber. So always do this to all your videos if you want to go viral. Once you are done with this, the next thing is for you to click on your save and leave the YouTube and leave your video to start doing magic. Now that we've explained how you can use it, let's talk about how can you purchase this very TubeBuddy. How can you really purchase this TubeBuddy? Now to purchase this TubeBuddy, I have pasted a link on the group. Just click on that link, then come and paste the link on your browser. Once you paste the link on your browser, you should see something like this. Yeah. Now you have per month, you have per year, depend on anyone you want to buy. They charge $2.25 per month. They actually have discount. They have discount if you use their coupon code. Look at this coupon code. If you use this coupon code, they are going to give you 50% discount. Once you click on select, it's going to take you to where you are to make your payment. But first of all, you are going to log in. If you don't have a Google account, please get a Google account because you are going to log in. Yeah. Now make sure to sign in with your Google. Once you sign in with your Google, yeah, it's going to take you to a place like this. Fill in your details, then put your card details, then make your payment. Now once you make your payment, it's going to ask you to add your channel. Click on add channel and add your YouTube channel. Is that okay? Once you add your YouTube channel, yeah, let me go back. Once immediately you add your YouTube channel, it will show like this. Now once it shows pro, this is the list one, which is pro. You are good to go. The next thing is come to this place on this extension. Click on this extension and click on manage extension. Now immediately you click on manage extension here. Now click on Chrome Web Store. Once you click on Chrome Web Store, on this place go and search for TubeBuddy. Search for TubeBuddy. Yeah, now this is the first one. As you can see, I've already installed my own, but on your own it's going to show install. Install it, follow the process, and add it to your Chrome. After adding it to your Chrome, now come and refresh your YouTube channel. Once you refresh your YouTube channel, it's going to write TubeBuddy here, but with a red color. It will ask you to sign in. Sign into your TubeBuddy. Immediately you sign into your TubeBuddy, it will appear like this. Now whenever you want to post a video, do not post a video without using this premium hashtag. Is that okay? Don't post a video without using this premium hashtag. It's going to help fasten, your growth, and it's going to help fasten your subscribers. Is that okay? So if you need this very plugin, like I said, the description is on this video and I've posted this on the group chat. Just click on that link, get this TubeBuddy. It is just less than $2. It is less than $3. Then if you are in Nigeria, in Naira, it is less than 5,000 Naira. It is a monthly payment. If you want to go for the 1 year, fine, you can go for the 1 year. I hope you found value in this video. Please, if you found value in this video, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first person to receive videos like this whenever I post them. I'll see you in my next video.